Do you like what you see in front of you? This is what we call roasted fish. I will take you guys through a step-by-step process on how I accomplish this yummy roasted fish. In front of me, I have 4 big fresh bar fish. This is what I will be roasting. Are we frying the fish? No, we are not frying the fish. We are roasting it. I'll begin by removing the scale off from the fish, as you can see on this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please, you are welcome to my space. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video to your loved ones, and to my returning subscribers, I say welcome. Thank you all for always tuning in to watch my video. What are we eating today? We are eating roasted fish and ripe plantain. This is what we'll be eating today. So we are eating roasted fish. I'll start by washing my fish. Now I'll remove all the inside of the fish, as you can see on this video. When I'm done removing the scales and the inside of the fish, I'll go ahead and start giving the fish some slit. What do I mean by giving the fish some slit? It means I'm giving the fish some incision line. This will help the seasoning to gently and thoroughly penetrate inside the fish. Continue giving the fish the slit until all of them they have the incision line. Then you can stop. When I'm done slitting the fish, I'll now go ahead with my paper towel. This I will use to remove any excess water from the fish. Now, what I will do is that I will gently just be damping the paper towel on top of the fish. This will help to remove any excess water that is being found on the fish. Go ahead and do it in all the other ones. These are the ingredients I'll be using for my fish. I'm using just simple ingredients. On my kitchen counter, I have salt. I have my fresh fish that I've already washed and put the incision line. I have my green spices, white pepper, some seasoning cubes. I'll go ahead and grease my baking tray with just small quantity of my cooking oil. I'm using my baking brush to make sure that I brush the tray thoroughly with the cooking oil. Let's start to season our fish. Firstly, I go in with seasoning cube, small quantity of white pepper, small quantity of salt. At this point, you can use the roasting brush, but I decided to go in with my hands. My hands are all clean because I earlier washed my hands. So I prefer to use my hands because I will ensure that all the seasoning penetrates well inside the fish. When I'm done with the seasoning, I will now go in with the cooked green spice that I earlier seasoned before. I will now use my hands and gently massage it inside the incision line. at the first one that I'm just from seasoning. I will now place this in my baking tray. This is where I make use of my baking brush. I will now use the baking brush to make sure I brush the greens cooked spices well into the fish. This is to ensure that everything is well incorporated into the fish. Continue the process until all the fish have been well seasoned. At this point, all the fish, it is well seasoned. So I'm using my brush to ensure that everything is well incorporated. Now I'll sprinkle small quantity of my ground white pepper on the fish before sending this in the oven. In a preheated oven, I will grill this fish for about an hour. Roasting time, our fish is being placed inside the oven. 1 hour later and our fish is ready. So it is now time for me to serve this in the plate. What are we eating our fish with? We are eating our fish with fried ripe plantain. Hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you like what you are seeing, guys. Please don't hesitate to try this method and you won't regret it. You can see on the video the fish is so yummy, so delicious. I'll go in with my mayonnaise. Guys, join us for lunch. You are all invited to come and have a taste of this yummy roasted fish. This is homemade. I did it myself, guys. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.